Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating external causes. Close Bgmi, reboot your phone, and remove the case or magnets because magnetic interference makes the gyroscope drift. Once done, run the built-in sensor calibration or a trusted gyroscope app to reset orientation. Make sure the operating system and Bgmi are updated so firmware fixes apply. Then clear app cache and free at least 200 megabytes of RAM. This prevents background processes from skewing sensor reads and gives you a clean baseline to test in-game. Next, you dive into Bgmi controls to see how software interprets gyro input. Open Controls, toggle gyroscope to ADS or off to isolate the problem. This tells you whether full or aim-only gyro causes drift. Once isolated, reduce gyroscope sensitivity in small 10 to 20% steps and test each change so you notice how the device responds. Also turn off any gyro smoothing or advanced filters to force raw input. If raw input stops drifting, smoothing was amplifying noise. To finish, verify whether this is phone-specific. Log into Bgmi on another device or try an external gyro controller to confirm hardware versus software. If the drift remains, reinstall Bgmi and reproduce the issue while collecting steps and timestamps so support can troubleshoot. If everything else fails, perform a factory sensor calibration or consult a repair shop because persistent drift often signals a failing gyroscope. One key troubleshooting tip: if calibration apps report inconsistent values, the sensor is likely hardware faulty and needs repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.